Are you a therapist that is frustrated with short-lived results with your patients? Are you stuck in a career or job that is unstable and leaving you unfulfilled? Listen up. Mixed modality healers are needed now more than ever before. Not only needed, they're in demand. Join our comprehensive course and become a certified Raynor Therapy practitioner to provide profound, long-lasting results that will supercharge your reputation and attract a grateful client base.
I got on the table for myself. What I experienced was hard to put into words.
Elevate your practice, boost your business, and unlock the power of lasting transformation with Raynor Bodywork Training.
I just experienced, it sounds weird to say because it feels like cliche, but just a really transformative release.
She did a really amazing job. Things were released that had been bottled up that I didn't even know about.
A handful of times in my life where I felt like I've been, kind of transported.
Raynor Therapy is a powerful and transformative experience developed by the esteemed Brandon Raynor, known as the godfather of this modality. Raynor Therapy is a pioneering technique that goes beyond pain management. It is rooted in the ability to release tension and stored emotions from the entire body.
I got off the table and I was just completely different.
By addressing the root cause of the problem, this modality unlocks the body's natural healing potential, restoring your clients the quality of life they deserve.
I love the fact that I can now move into my old age pain-free.
Escape to Hacienda Eden, a paradise on the tropical west coast of Mexico, where nature's beauty blends harmoniously with the transformative power of Raynor Therapy. Learn from our experienced and dedicated instructors who will guide you through every step of your Raynor Therapy journey. With their mentorship, you will gain the confidence and expertise needed to become a skilled practitioner. We believe in the success of our students, so our class sizes are small and intimate, and they fill up fast. So sign up now and join the collective.